What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and today I have some cases from a company called Ringke. That's right, I wanted to thank Ringke for sending these over, and these are the Fusion X cases from Ringke, and I always like the cases from Ringke. Real good protection on your phone, and I have the supermodel of smartphones right now, the OnePlus 7 Pro. Look at that booty. I mean, that is nice, you know? That's that Nebula blue, and you want to protect this device because it's got a beautiful screen. It's got a beautiful glass back, so you don't want to mess that up. So they sent over two of them. One is a ruby red and the other one is black, and they have a nice touch, man. Great customer service by Ringke. They sent this out to me. Thank you, dear Leo. Thank you so much for your support. Ringke is thrilled to collaborate with you, and I hope we'll have future opportunities. So shout out to Ringke for sending out these goodies to me. But let's check out the ruby red first. See how that looks on the OnePlus. Ooh, sorry. Hope I didn't blow your ears out if you're wearing them headphones. Shout out to your headphones. But these cases, I'm telling you right now, are absolutely phenomenal. This is the ruby red here. I'll let you look at it so you guys can kind of take a look. I kind of like this. I think I might rock this to go with my Iron Man wallpaper there. But that is the ruby red. Obviously, you got the opening there for your triple camera setup, type C, volume up and down, your power off button, and then your hole there for your alert slider, which is great. And the trusty opening for your pop-up camera. Some case manufacturers are not putting, they're not letting it slide. They're putting like one opening without a hole. So Ringke's is doing it separate. Now let's take a look at the black one. That was the ruby red. So let's check out the black one. Get rid of some of these papers in here. There you go. There's a nice shot of it there if you want to check it out. All right, so we're gonna put the OnePlus 7 Pro inside the ruby red one first. I had to take the plastic off of the front and the back. It comes with this plastic here that's inside, so just so you know. It takes a little finagling to get it off, but once you get it off, you're good to go. But we're gonna put the beautiful OnePlus 7 Pro inside the ruby red one. Take a look at, ooh, yes. Don't you love that feeling when you first put a case on? I don't know. Maybe it's like taking the plastic off of a new phone, but there you go. There is the ruby red. Man, that looks really good. I like it. I really do like it. It's got it's like a dark red, just pimp looking color on here. But let's go over two important things. Let's talk about the grip and the lip, right? So the grip is really good because you have some great detail here so that you can grip it and rip it here. Fusion X, little branding there by Ringke. You could also put one of those little holders, like keychain holders, like a rope that sometimes Ringke sends out, but they didn't send one with this one, but that's cool. And there's your opening there for your type C. You got your speaker opening there, which is perfect. You have your opening there for your alert slider. Oh yeah, this is really good. Real easy to access. I like the way they did it because they put a little bit of more of an opening so that you can really get in there and reach it. You don't have to worry about not reaching it. And then your on and off button the button is perfect. And then you have your volume up and down here, which is absolutely excellent. And then up here you got your microphones and then your opening here for your pop-up camera. So let's go ahead and take a look at how that works out. Look at that. That is absolutely perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's try that again. In and out. You know what I mean? I know you guys really do want to see this again, don't you? Yeah, you do. Yes. So yeah, the pop-up camera, it slides out of there really excellent. There's no issue there. They really manufactured this pretty darn good. So as far as the Pop-up camera for the opening, it's excellent. Now let's talk about the lip on here. The lip is pretty good if you ask me, because you could probably lay this down on a table and you're probably good to go. And but yeah, let me show you the lip here so you guys can kind of get a feel. Right there. Yeah, but man, I'm telling you, this is a really nice case. This is a big phone. It's got a big screen, so you want to protect it, like I said. But this is a really attractive case, and it's not bulky. It's like slim on the sides, but it's got good grip, like I said. And it's got a little bit of a textured button here for the power button, so you know that's the power button, and then your volume up and down over here. But yeah, man, it's just a really perfect looking case. If you ask me, you got the OnePlus branding there. But yeah, take a look at that if you guys want to really check it out. I'll model it for you so you guys can enjoy it. But yeah, the grip is good, the lip is good. You got those reinforced corners here, which really protect your phone from dropping, so that's important. But let's model the black one. Let's put our supermodel in here and see what it looks like. Boom. Oh yeah. What do you guys think? You like the black, or do you like the red? But that's really, really nice. I mean, it's good lip action. One thing I will say though that might bother some folks is, see how the OnePlus logo is kind of covered? So I don't know if they could have cut that cutout maybe a little lower, but yeah, so I don't know if that would bother you, but just so you guys know, it does cover the logo a little bit. But yeah, I think I like the red one a little better. But these cost about $12.99 on Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can pick these up from Ringke. But very affordable cases. Ringke make great cases. I really do love their cases. I think I'm gonna rock this one today just so I can give it a ride. And man, but this looks really good. But yeah, man, you can follow me on Twitter at Android Stud, also Instagram. Like this video, man. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think of this Ringke case. This is the Fusion X. These are great cases. They're very affordable and they're really good. So you get good value for your money, and they're really well designed. So, but yeah, that's the Ringke case, Fusion X. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.